This is the brand new Bronze Balm from Merit Beauty. A super easy to use bronzing stick that is not only vegan and cruelty free, but it's buildable, blendable, and gives you a natural second skin finish that's never cakey or streaky. Just swipe, blend, and go. And today I'm going to show you all the ways you can use this, and you'll see how easy and versatile this bronzing stick is. How the satin finish makes your skin glow, and how their clean vegan formula locks in moisture to keep your skin hydrated all day. Best of all, we're finishing today's look with a full face of Merit too. Don't forget to use my promo code for 10% off your order. Purchases over $40 get free shipping, and Merit will send you their brand new signature bag as a gift. Visit meritbeauty.com to get yours today. I've been waiting for this because a clean beauty bronzer is what we need in our lives. So this is exciting. I've got two shades right here. So I've got this shade called Quince, and this one is called Clay. This is the lightest shade in the collection. This is the second lightest shade in the collection. Altogether, there are 5 shades in the collection. It actually ranges quite a bit. I picked up the lightest shade in the collection to be more of an all-over-the-face bronzer, as it's meant to be, but then I also picked up the second deepest shade in the collection just to be more of a definition stick, like a contour stick. What I love about this is like you get a lot of product. It's nice and thick. I love the oval shape because you can really get in a lot with that. And the oval really helps to get that contour on immaculately. So I'm just going to apply this where I would normally apply my bronzer. I love the shade of this. This is beautiful. It glides over top of the foundation. Again, I'm using the Minimalist. I'll have everything linked in the description for you guys. It's all Merit full face today. It just glides on the face. Like, I'm impressed already. I put a little bit on my chin just because the sun would naturally kind of kiss that area. I'm going to go in with my Merit brush. This is a fantastic brush. You guys don't need to get it, but it is amazing. Award-winning. It's just so beautiful. I totally recommend the brush. It's fabulous. This is what I love about this product, is the blend is just that easy. Super fast. Merit is basically, I like to think of it as a 5-minute beauty brand. If you are in a rush, this is the perfect makeup line for you, because you're gonna look so beautiful and elevated, hydrated with this line. That's what I love about it, and it's completely vegan, plant-based. Love it. Okay, what do we think of that bronzer? I think that's beautiful. Now, it is buildable, so I am going to go in, again, with the same color, Quince, the lightest shade, and I'm just going to build that up just a little bit right here in the forehead. Actually, I'm going to take it down just on my cheekbones just a little bit. Just want to see how this builds. There's no scent to this, which I love about their products. Okay, like, that's stunning. That is a beautiful bronzer. One swipe and you're done. The formula is made to have this second skin finish, and it does just that. Like, it blends beautifully with the foundation stick, and it's stunning. Like, it's blowing my mind away. I'm so impressed with this right now. I'm looking in the monitor, I'm looking in the mirror. Right? This is amazing. So I'm going to go in with the darker one called Clay, which is this one right here. I am going to swatch them side by side on the back of my wrist so you guys can see the difference. So this one is Clay, the darker one. And this one right here is Quince, the lighter one. Now, this is very sheer. It's a very sheer formula. I love that about it because you get this no makeup look where it's just beautiful. It looks hydrating and stunning and angelic. Like, I love this look. Alright, I'm just going to go into the hollows of my cheekbones right there just to get that snatched look. And I'm also going to bring it right around my jawline here to also kind of just snatch that neck inward so we get a nice definition right around there. Because obviously I gained a little weight during the thyroid surgery here. And you know what? This is just a really good technique for anyone that just wants to look a little bit more defined. I like that. Now I might go in and maybe deepen it up just a little bit, but so far I love it. It just gives the right amount of definition for such a natural look. See, it just gives just a light shadow right here, so you can just go like that. Now this is a very glowy product. I feel like my face looks so hydrated and it feels hydrating. The best part about it is that it is being hydrated while you use this. There's ingredients in here that just do that while you have it on your skin all day. They're all plant-based, it's vegan, cruelty-free, all of it. It's got the green leaf approval. This is just a stunning, amazing formula. And if you guys haven't tried it, I totally recommend it. It is just beautiful. I am going to go in and powder my face. This is the brand new Laura Mercier blurring powder. I'm just going to take a little bit of that on a powder puff. And I'm going to show you guys how this looks half powdered and half unpowdered, so you guys can see the difference. I'm just going to go in and powder one side of my face so you guys can see the difference. It does take away a little bit of the sheen, but frankly, you still look really hydrated. What do you guys think? I think it's gorgeous. Like, the finish of these products are stunning. Like, it's just out of this world crazy. It feels so silky, and it looks blurring, it looks dewy, it looks clean, it looks like second skin, and that's what it's claiming, to be kind of like a second skin product. And 5-minute minimalist makeup, love that, right? We need that in our lives. So this, I think it's stunning. Let me know in the comments down below which side you guys prefer. Do you guys go in with a powder to set your foundation when you're running out the door in the morning, or do you like just leave it on and call it done? I am going to go in with a little bit of the Merit blush. I like to go in with their blush a little bit after I've powdered, but you can totally go in before you've laid that powder down. I like it just a little bit of powder on. I just feel like it sticks just a little bit better for me. And I'm just going to add just a little bit of color right there. And we're going to do the same to the other side. And again, same brush. Just going to blend that blush out. Doesn't that give such a beautiful blushed effect? If you guys are curious, this is the color Cheeky in the collection. But again, I'll have everything that I've used on my face listed for you guys in the description. Now, to finish off this really, really angelic look, of course, we're going to add highlighter. So I've got two of their highlighters right here. I've got Bounce and I have Cava. So I think I'm going to go in with Bounce. This one just has a slight pink tint to it. And of course, Cava is more of a pearlish, you know, light gold color. Actually, I might go in with both. Let's do both. Let's first go in here with Cava. I'm applying that to the high points of my cheeks, just under my brow bone. And of course, just a little bit on the tip of the nose and a little bit down the center of the nose. I will blend that out momentarily, but I'm actually going to go in with this one as well. Just add a little bit of that right here on the high points of my cheeks, just to mix it, because I like doing that when I'm using these two products. It just gives a beautiful custom glow to the skin. I'm just going in with my ring finger to blend that out. What do you guys think? It's really pretty, right? The glow is on point. Now, if you want to tone down the glow, definitely go in with your brush and just kind of work that into it just a little bit. And there you go, you toned down the glow. Alright guys, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this bronzer. I'm in love with it. I think it's fantastic. It's amazing. Go watch the review on the other Merit products I used on my face right there. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and gloss. Bye!